in spite of knowing and understanding everything, the government is emphasizing on saying that the future of the country lies in these examinations. Now, how do you suppose that the future of the these country students was not in the examinations earlier? The government had never focused mainly on these healthcare and education prior to this, and now suddenly they're all very concerned about the careers of the students, about the placements. I mean, this is all just trying to cover what they have taken decisions, what the decisions have been taken, what is happening. They just want to divert people's attention. That is what I think.
But I do believe that examinations are very necessary. And yes, as the government have said, okay, they have quoted, the education minister said, yes, they are the future. They will decide the placements of students. If you talk about JEE or if you talk about NEET, I believe there was a drastic protest in terms of students who are not ready.
But the main point, the university should conduct the examination because it gives the competitive zeal in the students that they have to perform better in this situation also. No matter what the situation is, the career is more important in every field.
वो जो ऑनलाइन पढ़ाया गया और फिर उसके साथ जो एग्जाम्स हुए वो हमारे लिए कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं किए, तो ये अंकुश का ये जो पॉइंट है कि प्रमोट कर दिया गया, उस बच्चे को समझ नहीं आया, तो एग्जाम देके भी कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ हमें. एंड अभी भी जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं हमारे थर्ड सेम के, इनफैक्ट क्लासेस जो चल रही हैं उससे फायदा नहीं हो रहा, बिकॉज मी बिलोंगिंग टू अ फील्ड जहाँ हमारा प्रैक्टिकल वर्क ज्यादा होता है, वहाँ ये सिर्फ ऑनलाइन पढ़ना, थ्योरी पढ़ना कुछ वैलिड नहीं करता, कुछ बेसलेस है हमारे लिए. तो